In Stymphalia, fear brewed as terrifying metallic-beaked birds wreaked havoc on the land, destroying crops and terrifying locals. After several arduous labors, Heracles was tasked with ridding Stymphalia of these fearsome creatures by King Eurystheus. Equipped with bow and arrows, Heracles knew defeat wouldn't come easy. He required a clever plan to flush out the deadly birds. Remembering Athena's wise advice, Heracles used crafted bronze castanets from Hephaestus to draw out the hidden birds from their lairs. The bronze clattering echoed through the forest, startling the dreaded stymphalian birds, revealing their formidable metallic forms. As the flock flew chaotically, Heracles unleashed precise arrows, taking down one metallic menace after another with expert skill. The stymphalian birds retaliated, launching poisonous feathers, but Heracles weaved and dodged, unwavering in his heroic assault. With the flock defeated, Heracles restored peace to Stymphalia. The villagers rejoiced, honoring his bravery, strength, and cleverness.